Good afternoon, class. This video is all about circles, but for this time, we are going to deal with some problems involving the topic circles. Our objectives for today is to find the standard equation of a circle from the general form and find the equation of a circle determined by the given conditions. Okay, so all of these are under solving of problems involving circles. So find the center and radius of each circle in general form. Ayan, no? So here we're going to use completing the square to factor this and to get, of course, the standard equation. So x squared, so gagawin natin, pagsasamahin lang natin yung may mga x. Ayan, plus y squared minus 2y. And then we transpose negative 4 on the other side. So this will become plus 4 or 4. So then, x squared minus 4x. And then, for the next number, it will be it is the quotient of 4 and 2, or 4 divided by 2, or b divided by 2 squared. So this will become 4. Okay? Yan. Kasi kailangan natin makuha yung number na kung saan may square factor natin yung itong ating x squared minus 4x. Okay? Plus y squared minus 2y plus 1. So, bakit plus 1? Because this one will become 2 over 2 or negative 2 over 2 squared. So, that is 1. This one is negative 4 over 2 squared. So, that is 4. Ayan. Then, equals 4. Then, anong gagawin natin, class? Kung ano inad natin sa left side, yun na i-add natin sa right side. So, plus 4 plus 1. Okay? Now, we can now factor this. So, minus uh, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9. So again, our standard equation is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Okay? So ang gagawin natin is we need to get the equation. Okay? So paano to? So this is so we need now to get our HK, no? This standard equation natin. So our H is, so HK tayo is 2. Yan. So from negative 2 magiging positive 2 yan. So i-change lang natin yung sign. And then for our K is 1. Yan. And for our R is equal to 3. Bakit 3? So R squared equals 9. Then R equals square root of 9 is R equals 3. That's why our R is 3. Okay? The next number is number 2 naman tayo. So x squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 9y equals 0. So the same thing. Same process ang gagawin natin. X squared minus 10x. So this will be divided by 2. 5 squared, that is plus 25. Okay, plus y squared plus 9y plus, so divided by 2. Although this one, hindi natin siya pwedeng makakuha ng whole number. So, pagka ganon, gamitin na lang natin siya as a whole. Yung mismong number, as is na lang tayo. So, 9 over 2 squared equals, so wala, so 25 plus, so 81 over 2. Ayan. So, yan yung 9 squared over 2 natin. So, now, we can now have this one, x minus 5 squared equals, plus y minus, yan, no? This is 81 over 4. Y minus 9 or, 9 over 2 squared. Yeah. Okay? So, as a fraction na lang para mas hindi na tayo mahirapan pagdating sa pagsosolve. Equals. Okay, so solve lang natin to. Okay, so what is 81 over 4? So, solve muna natin. 81 over 4 is 2, 8, okay, then 0, sorry, yes, 20, 20, and 4 over, sorry, this is rather 1 over 4. Ayan. Okay, so 25 plus 20, 1 over 4 is equal to 45, 1 over 4, or pwede natin ano din, no, multiply, gawing ano na lang din, improper fraction, which is 4 times 45, that is 45 times 4 is 0 to 16, 180. So 180 over 4. Ayan. 180 plus 1, so 181 over 4. Okay? Now, for our center natin, HK natin is 5 and 9 over 2. And for our R is equivalent to square root of 181 over 4. Ayan. So, pwede na to given na hindi naman there's no ano naman, what do you call this, 181 is not a perfect square, although 4 is a perfect square, no? So we can use it, or we can have it as R equals 1. Sige, so natin dito na lang po. So R equals square root of 181 over, okay, over 2. So eto na po yung final answer natin. Okay? Sige, highlight natin para mas makita. So ito po yung mga final answers natin for the center and for the radius. Ayan. This one and this one. Ayan. Okay po. Okay, for this example, for this last example, guys, find the equation of the circle determined by the given conditions. Ayan. So the given condition here is that the center the circle has a center of negative 3 and 7. And the circle goes through the origin. So if we're going to illustrate it something like this. So if this is the center, then the circle is 37. So probably here, dito, no? So the center is something like this, no? Ganyan. Or the circle is something like this. Yeah. So x minus or plus 3. So solve na natin. Squared plus, so this is the equation muna for the circle. Y minus 7 squared equals R. So, again, R squared. R squared. Okay? As you can see, no? As you can see, we need to know the radius. Kasi wala tayong radius eh. What we only have is this one and the origin. So what we're going to do now, we need to use the distance formula to answer this. Okay? So distance formula tayo. So negative 3, 7, and then 0, 0. Ayan. So D equals to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? Plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So square parehas yan. Okay? Now D equals the square root of, now we assign values. So let's say that our x2 is our origin and y2. Yan. And x1, y1. So 0 minus negative 3. Ayan. Squared plus this one. Y squared is 0 again minus negative y1. That is negative 7. Ayan. Or 7 rather. Then squared. So here, we just need to simplify this. So 9. Okay. Sorry. This is 3 squared. So that is 9. Plus 7 squared is 49. So therefore, the radius is or the distance muna tayo, no? We're pertaining to the distance, is 9 plus 49. Okay? So 9 plus 49 is 58, or square root of 58. So this is now the distance. And technically, the distance itself is the radius. Okay? So the equation is now x plus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals square root of 58 squared. Or, ayan, for the final answer, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 58. So here is the final answer. Again. So, ganun lang po siya kasimpleng sagutan. Okay? Now, for your assessment, yan. So, first is to determine whether the points 13, 3, yan, the coordinates, yan, 13, 3, 9, 10, 2, 13, and negative 4, negative 5 are inside the circle, on the circle, or outside the circle. So, when we say in the circle, ibig sabihin po, ito yung circle natin, nasa loob. Pag sinabi naman natin on the circle, ibig sabihin, ito yung circle, ito naman, nasa points, nasa line niya, nasa circumference niya, yung mga points. Pag sinabi naman natin outside the circle, ito yung circle niya, nasa labas yung mga sagot. Okay? And then for number 2, write the equation of the circle in general form with the center. So this is the center, and this is the tangent to the axis. Okay? Yan, tangent to the x-axis. So mean to say, pag sabing tangent to the x-axis, it touches the x-axis. Okay, so if this is the Cartesian plane, negative 3 is here, and negative 8 somewhere here, for example, or dito na lang natin kunyari ilagay, tapos dito si 8, no? Yan, so then, if this is tangent, mean to say it touches this one. Yan. So now, you need to look for the equation. So given here, what is the radius? And then, this is already the center. So ganun lang. Mabilis yun na masasagutan. So if you have any question regarding this matter, or regarding this topic, you can chat me in our GChat, no? Para masagutan ninyo or mag-guide ko kayo kung paano nyo siya sasagutan. Okay? This is the end of my lesson, and that's it. So see you on my next video.